So of the equations below, 4x plus 11 is 23. So start by subtracting 11 from both sides. Don't forget you can actually use a flowchart. I'll do that just for this first one actually. So if we think about x, the first thing that's happened to x is it's multiplied by 4, giving us 4x. And then we add 11, giving us 4x plus 11. So to reverse that, we need to subtract 11 and then divide by 4. So we do the opposite operations. So my first step here is to subtract 11 from both sides. If I do that, the left is 4x. Notice the flowchart gives me that. 23 take away 11 is 12. Then I'm going to divide by 4, and that means I get x on the left. The flowchart gives me that as well. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Now I'm not going to use flowcharts for the other ones, but you can use them to decide on the order of operations that you do. So here, the first thing I would do is multiply both sides by 7. If I multiply the left by 7, it gets rid of that 7 that's dividing, so I get 5x plus 3. 4 times 7 is 28. The next thing to do is subtract 3, so that gives me 5x on the left, and 28 take away 3 is 25, and then divide both sides by 5, so x equals 5. Now you can't use a flowchart straight away for this because you've got x's on both sides. Now what have we got? We've got 7x on the left and negative 2x on the right. The smallest number of x's is therefore the negative 2. So the opposite operation is add 2x. We're going to add 2x to both sides. If I add 2x's to 7x's, I've got 9x's. I've still got the plus 5 here. But if I add 2x's over here, the x's will disappear because I've got negative 2x, add 2x, that's no x's. So I've still got the 32. Now I can subtract 5 from both sides. 9x is 27. And then I can divide both sides by 9. X equals 3.